Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Bitcoin. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. So all this here may look like a couple of months worth of time. It's actually just the past couple of weeks broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Friendly reminder, with Bitcoin, it is open 24/7. So if you're watching this video 15, 20 hours after I get it uploaded, then yeah, the chart's going to look different for you. But my goal here from the presentation standpoint is to keep this video relevant for as long as possible. And I'm going to accomplish that by talking about more so general levels and then walking you through some questions. And based on how you answer those questions, that'll dictate the current status of the chart. So basically, I did this analysis about 24 hours ago, right around 3:30 p.m. Eastern time on Monday, and since then the price has just continued to explode upwards. So a whole lot of updates need to be done as Bitcoin and the bounce remains. So the first thing I'm going to do is adjust this level up here. Yeah, that level down there pertains, not really relevant anymore given how far the price has since moved from there. So one of the newest areas of support, what I would call the ideal level of support, is right there at 10,300. I mean, if you say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price can stay up above 10,300. So that brings about the first question. And I don't know, let's just use the 15-hour number. Let's say you're watching this video 15 hours after I've uploaded it. Question number one becomes, okay, well, where's the price at relative to 10,300? As long as you're answering the question that the price is up above that level, then sure, that implies that the price, could have pulled back a little bit. But from a bigger picture point of view, that would still put the price. So, I mean, let's say, you're watching and it's sitting right around there. Well, even at that point, think about where that would still be having, positioning the price relative to where it's been. I mean, up around here compared to, this area all the way down there. Sure, it's a pullback, but, big picture wise and looking at more than just a couple of days, that would still have the price much higher than where it was. So again, 10,300. As long as the price is above there, then as far as I'm concerned, the chart looks about as healthy as it can get. From more so the overarching point of view, that's where you're going to want to keep an eye on the 50-period moving average. Can't really assign a numerical value to that because, as the name implies, it's a moving average. So that line is going to move itself higher as time goes by, and therefore that value is going to change. But really, the next question just becomes, if you're answering the question that the price is down below 10,300, then you would want to immediately ask yourself, okay, well, where's the price at relative to the 50-period moving average, which again is that purple line right there. And as long as the price is up above that level, then sure, that may imply that the pullback's been a little bit deeper. But as far as big picture trend is concerned, that would still imply that the bulls are in control of the overall trend. So again, for question number one, 10,300. If you're answering the question that the price is down below there, then you'd want to take an inventory check where the price is relative to the 50-period moving average. As far as levels of resistance, key level right now, 10,600. Yes, I get it. The price is up above there, but I want to see, can the price maintain above it? Because that's what a true break has. Two parts. First part is the obvious one. Well, price has to break above a certain level, and that's been accomplished right now as I talk. But let's see over the next 24 hours, can the price actually maintain and stay up above 10,600? So that's why I'm going to leave that a level of resistance. But all in all, any way you look at it, the big movement continues, volume remains strong. So we'll see how this one continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.